Are you looking for a simple but absolutely delicious seafood recipe? Look no further than this Tuscan shrimp and scallops dish. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a flavorful and impressive meal that is sure to impress your friends and family. To start, gather your ingredients: shrimp, scallops, cherry tomatoes, garlic, fresh basil, olive oil, and a splash of white wine. That's all you need to create this mouth-watering dish. First, heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimp and scallops and cook for just a few minutes on each side until they are golden and cooked through. Be sure not to overcook the seafood, as it can become tough and rubbery. Next, add the cherry tomatoes to the skillet and let them cook down until they start to burst and release their juices. This will create a delicious sauce that will coat the shrimp and scallops and infuse them with a burst of flavor. Once the tomatoes have cooked down, add the minced garlic and a splash of white wine to the skillet. Let the wine cook off for a minute or two, allowing the flavors to melt together and create a rich and aromatic sauce. Finally, stir in some fresh basil for a pop of color and flavor, and season the dish with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the Tuscan shrimp and scallops over a bed of pasta or with a side of crusty bread to soak up all of the delicious sauce. This dish is perfect for a special occasion or a quiet night at home, and it's so simple to make. You'll find yourself coming back to it time and time again. So if you're in the mood for a simple but absolutely delicious seafood dish, give this Tuscan shrimp and scallops recipe a try.
You won't be disappointed.